Today's video is sponsored by my rosé. Let me grab it and drink a little bit. The reason why is because I like rosé. I love rosé actually. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brown Panda Beauty, and in today's video I am doing this look right here. So I already have my makeup on, you'll see in the future, and basically what I've done is going from a daytime really basic sort of look to a nighttime glam look, and this is my take on it, the things I usually do. So I am really lazy when it comes to getting ready at nighttime if I already have makeup during the daytime. So what I do usually is make changes to my current makeup and go out, because it's too much of work. If you already have good makeup on, especially good base on, it's just wasting time and products really if you wash your face and redo everything for your base and then just do a different eye makeup look. So basically what I'm doing is keeping the base quite same, just intensifying it and changing my eye makeup and my lip color just to emphasize for the nighttime. So I'll show you all the products I've used, how I've used it. If you like the sound of it, then keep on watching and I'll explain all the things I've done, all the process, all the products, all that good stuff. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to go in is my brown sugar palette. So I'm going to do my eyes first, and it looks like this. This is by Colourpop, one of my favorite palettes, and it looks like this. Very easy colors, very warm, sort of quick glam sort of colors. You've got the shimmers, you've got the mattes as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this chalk color right here, and I'm going to take it on a small sort of precise domish looking brush. And because we're not removing our makeup, you want to be very careful how you apply. I'm just going to take this color and start darkening my outer corner. Some people do tend to take off their lashes. I am going to keep it, and I'm keeping this color to 1/3 of my eye. And what I'm doing is kind of blending my eyeliner with this shade here, almost smoking out my eyeliner as well. As you can see, my eyes are getting deeper and getting a nice shape. Easier for you, you can take out your lashes if you are wearing. If not, you can keep them on and just be careful when you blend your eyeshadows. Keep the same brush, and I'm going to go in this color right here. This is called Sorrel. And I'm just going to take this color and blend that color with that dark color, which is called Chalk, and kind of merge them together in my crease. And I'm keeping the same brush because it already has chalk color in it, so it just makes life easy. Take the same chalk color on the same brush and keep it very simple. It's going to darken my lower lashes. So in the chalk color and on the same brush, now I'm going to just concentrate on the outer corner of my eye and smoke it out. Just being careful that I don't move my lashes too much. Make sure that you go underneath your lashes so that your lashes, the mascara doesn't fall out. Now I'm going to take a plain flat brush, and I'm going to go in this color right here. This is called Auburn, and this is going to go on my eyelid, and I'm going to put this in the inner corner just to give you like that glam look for nighttime. And I'm just taking this to almost to the half of my eye, not all the way in. So I have that effect of two colors. And I'm not taking this color all the way to the outer corner where my darker color stops, and I'll show you why. So let me just do this first. It doesn't matter if you apply this on your liner, because I am going to go again and redo my eyeliner. But just make sure that you take small steps into doing this so you don't make a mistake, because otherwise the whole point of not redoing your makeup, you would have to do it again. And what I'm going to do is take the same color, that auburn color. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. and kind of merge it with my lower lashes. I'm going to take the other side of the brush. As you can see, the sparkles on here and the clean side is on there. I'm going to take this color right here, this peach color called Amber, and I'm just going to put it on the other side of my brush, and I'm just going to put that between the eyeshadows, the dark one and the sparkles, and make sure that I kind of blend them nicely. You might have a fallout on your lashes. That's all good as well, because I'm going to show you how I fix my lashes when things fall on them. Take a flat brush like this, a clean one, and now I'm going to go in this color right here. This is called Chai. It's a matte color that is a cream shade, and I'm just going to put this underneath my brows to lift them and also kind of like diffuse the eyeshadows. First brush that I took, and I'm just gonna make sure there's no harsh line and all the colors are merging together with the matte color, the cream color on top, and I'm not adding any more color. I'm just taking the same brush and just making sure that I'm blending them nicely. Okay, now I'm gonna take my spoolie and I'm just going to brush my lashes very gently. You don't want to overdo it so everything falls off. And then anything that falls off, I'm just going to take a clean brush and I'm just going to buff out very gently so you don't get any marks or anything like that. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner. I'm using liquid. You can use any that you have. If you prefer a pencil, felt tip, doesn't matter. And I'm going to take an eyeliner pencil brush. The reason I like this instead of using my actual little wand, which looks like that, is because it won't bang into my lashes. I'll just go around it and I can just create another eyeliner. Now you can do yourself a wing liner. I'm not going to give me a wing liner because I already had a wing liner. I just want to do something different. So what I'm doing is just stopping the eyeliner where it kind of blends out. Go in my mascara, and I'm just going to give another layer of mascara on my eyes, and I'm not going crazy because you don't want to make them look thick and uneven. All I'm doing is just coating them so they look fresh instead of clumpy and weird. And I'm just gonna give myself another coat on my bottom lashes. And again, if something falls, you just take your brush and just clean it. Brows, they're already filled in, but I'm gonna go and use my Essence gel for brows and just give them a fresh look. Just make them look fluffy and clean. If they were coming off, if your brows were looking a bit patchy or there were spaces, you can fill them in and then do this process for nighttime. And now I'm gonna move on to my cheeks. For my cheeks, I'm gonna use my contour kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to just contour my face, and I'm going to use the middle color. That's the darker one. And just shaping, because nighttime you want to go a bit more obvious with your contour. Not too crazy, obviously, but... And you want to keep your contour to the back of your face. So I'm not bringing it all the way down. I'm just keeping it at the back. So maybe halfway through. Not all the way down to my mouth or even closer to my mouth. And then again, you can kind of shape your forehead. My forehead's really small, I say this all the time, so I just like to shape it, not really bring it in. And you can redo your jawline. And I'm going to take my beauty sponge. It's wet, so I'm just going to take the highlighter off here and just reapplying it and just patting it on my highest points of my face where I already have my highlighter, but just making it a bit more intenser. As you can already see the difference. This one's a bit obvious and this one's not so much, so I'm just adding that little bit of highlight just to emphasize the highest points of my face. And I can bring it on my nose. And now I'm going to do my blush, and I'm going to go in my Estee Lauder palette here, and I'm going to use this color. And I'm just going to apply it only to the apples of my cheek. Because I've already bronzed my face in the morning, I'm not redoing the bronzing because I don't want to overdo with the contour and the bronze and all that, because my face is already bronzed. If you think you need more bronzing just to even out your color, then you can go ahead and do that. And I am going to change my lip color. First, I'm just going to pat it on here. Kind of like that. So most of it has come off. And I'll just pat it until it's almost gone. I'm again going to go in my Anastasia Beverly Hills, take that highlighter and just highlight my lips. And today's lipstick, I'm going to use my Speed Dial by Colourpop. It's Ultra Matte. And just put this on. This will really complement my eye makeup. Finally, I'm going to go in my BYS translucent powder. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is the brush I use to really tap off any product on my face. I'm just going to set this powder where I get lines and things, which is around my mouth and also my T-zone if I get sweaty there. I know you've got highlighter, it wouldn't make a huge difference if you go on top of it. And anywhere if I think I need a little bit of touch up, maybe between my brows, maybe my chin. And the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and do my MAC Fix Plus spray. And this will make sure that everything's locked in, everything's in place, everything melts nicely in harmony, and just makes it look really nice and last it for longer. And this is it. This is the day to nighttime glam. Looks like this. Very, very quick and very easy. I'm just drinking my rosé. Why waste it? I haven't drunk actually even one sip of this while I was doing this video, so might as well drink it. Oh, so good. So yeah, this is it. This is the look. Very easy, very quick, from day to night glam. I mean, if your base is nice and sturdy, all you have to do is make few changes and refreshen things and you'll be good to go. Yeah, this will take me about 15-20 minutes, just depending how much I need to do what. This will last you for the whole night until you take it off. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found it helpful, entertaining, fun. Share this video with someone who would also find this video helpful, fun, and entertaining. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Comment down below your response, your thoughts, or just say hello. And follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook, or Snapchat if you want to. It's Brown Panda Beauty. Until next time, hope you guys have a beautiful day. Be happy and positive. I'll see you guys later. Bye.